Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the Logitech USB 2.0 G213 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard with 16.8 million lightning colors. The Prodigy series is the Logitech G keyboard for advanced gaming grade performance, up to 4 times faster than standard keyboards, so every key press is near instantaneous from the fingers to screen. Brilliant Color Spectrum Illumination lets us easily personalize up to 5 lightning zones from over 16.8 million colors to match our style and gaming gear. And we have tactical performance, the keys tuned for gaming with responsive and more. And its dedicated MIDI control let us quickly play, pause, skip, and adjust the volume of music right from the keyboard. This G213 Prodigy is an RGB gaming keyboard. This is an award-winning, durable, with gaming great performance, tactical Mac dome, key switches are spill resistant, customizable lighting, RGB lighting, integrated palm rest and adjustable feet, dedicated MIDI controls. You have all what you need. The height is only 33mm, the width is 17.8 inches. There's a 452mm, the depth is 218mm, the weight is 1000 grams. These are 35.270 C. The connection type of this keyboard is USB 2.0. The USB protocol is USB 2.0. USB speed is full speed. Indication light is an LED. The backlight is an RGB in 5 tones. Cable length is 5.9 feet. This is a 1.8 meter. We have tested it with 60mm spill resistance. Good job, baby. And it's compatible with Windows 7 or later. And a USB port, of course. And we have all what we need. The keyboard in our hands and a computer in front of us. Then we connect this keyboard to the computer, for example, and then we can start have a gaming challenge. And we will dominate nearly everything. With the Logitech USB 2.0 G213 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard. It comes with a lot of light and a lot of good quality stuff. That's a good keyboard for everyday use in the office or in the gaming rig. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.